Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Google's next-generation Nest products have arrived, including the company's first battery-operated indoor-outdoor camera and a battery-powered doorbell. Both are priced at about $180. The new doorbell is a great option for use at entries without doorbell wiring. The high-definition video is superb, and the smart alerts that can distinguish people and packages are very useful. The Nest wireless camera can do that as well and features on-device processing. Both feature two-way voice communication as well, and while battery life seems to be pretty impressive thus far, you have the option to use the cameras wired as well. And while a subscription isn't required, Nest Aware, priced at $60 a year, will give you 30 days of event history and covers all of your Nest devices. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.